Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet hatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the hatch stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 4. You're then going to work 3 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. Skip 3 chains, and then make a single crochet in the next chain, chain 3, and then make 1 double crochet into that same chain as the single. Skip 3 and you're going to work that again. A single, chain 3, double into the next chain, and you're going to repeat that for the rest of your row. At the end of the row, you're going to make a single crochet. Then on the row that I am currently working, I'm going to show you how to make the row that you are going to repeat however long you want your project. It is just 1 row repeated. So I am starting my row with a chain 3. I'm then going to work 3 double crochet into this first stitch right here. And if you look closely, it is a previous single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. You would then skip this little double crochet block right here. You can see it's 3 double crochet. You're only going to be working into these little chain spaces. You're going to make a single crochet into that chain space. You're then going to chain 3, and then you're going to work 3 double crochet into the same space. Skip this little block right here. You're only working into this little chain space. Make a single crochet, chain 3, then make 3 double crochet into that same chain space. Same thing in these next 2. I'm going to repeat that. When you get to the last block of your row, you're going to skip over these double crochet right here. You are only going to be working into this little chain space at the very, very end. You're going to make a single crochet. And that is how that row is looking. I am going to make a second row because I feel like it can be a little bit confusing, so I do want to do it again. I'm going to chain 3, turn my work. I'm then going to make 3 double crochet into this first stitch right here, which is a previous single crochet, so you can see how it matches the last row. It's exactly the same. 3 double crochet right here. Then we're going to skip over this little block of doubles, and you're only going to be working into this little chain space, and you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3. Then I'm going to work my 3 double crochet. Skip over this little block of doubles completely, only working into this little chain. Make a single crochet, chain 3. Then make 3 double crochet. I'm going to continue that for the rest of my row. Then when you get to the very end of your row, you're going to skip over this block completely, only working into the little chains at the very edge of the row, and you're going to make a single crochet. And that is going to be how to make the hatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.